Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about the set function. Some of the set function. In the last video I have discussed about the set data structure and we will continue the set functions in this video. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. The first function is add-up function. This is used to add the new elements into the existing set. Okay, let's see an example. Set 1 equal to okay, then I want to add some elements into this set. So by using an add of method, set 1 dot add of 18 is already there. Okay, 84. Okay, then set 1 dot add of 100, then set 1 dot add of 34. Okay, I want to print out all the elements in the set. So set 1, see, all the element has come. Initially we have created, that means we have given 78, 89, 45 and 32, 90, and after that we have added the 84, 100 and 34. So 100, 84, 34, that all three elements has added into that set. Okay, so by using the add of method we can add then new elements into an existing set. The next one is remove of function. Remove means used to remove the elements from the set. That means if you want to remove the particular elements from the set by using the that time we will use the remove of method. If the particular element is not present in the list set, it will throw an error. If it is present, it will remove the element. If it is not present, it will throw an error. For example, I am taking this set 1. Okay, so I want to remove the set 1 elements. The remove of 100. Okay, print the, see, the element 100 has removed from the set. Then the next one, see, 1 dot set 1 dot remove of 34. See, the 34 has removed. Then I want to remove set 1 dot remove of, recently the set contains this elements. I want to remove the element 80 from the list which is not present in the set. Okay, see, it throws an error. Why? Because the element is not present in the set, so it throws an error, key error. I want to remove this 80 from the set, so it throws an error, key error. Then the next one is discard. The discard function also perform the same operations like remove of function, and the mild slight differences between this remove of and the discard of function is, if the particular element is not present in the set, the remove of function throws an error like this. Okay, but the discard of function does not perform like this. If the element is not present in the set, it will not throw any error. Okay, I am taking the set 2 with elements 67, 56, 45, 43, 32, 89. Okay, I want to perform the discard of function is set2 dot discard of 43 and print the set2. See, the element 43 has removed from the set. Okay, then I want to remove one more element also. Set2 dot $89. Okay, then set2. See, the 89 also removed from the set. Then the next one is I want to remove the element which is not present in the set. Is set2 dot discard of 100. Set2 dot discard of 100. Okay, see, I have done the same operation by using the remover function, but it throws an error, key error. But I have done the same thing here, but it did not, it does not perform anything like throwing an error or exception like this. So that's the main difference between the remove of and discard of function. Okay, the next one is pop. Pop of function, it's used to remove the set elements randomly. Okay, set2 equal to 45. Already have discussed this pop-off function in tuple and list. Okay, have discussed this pop-off function in the 46. Okay, in the list, it pop out means it's just removing the last element of the list, but in the set it does not remove the pop out, remove the last element, because the insertion elements are not preserved in the set, so we can't perform the item deletion. So the pop-off function performs the removes the elements randomly. Okay, we can't judge the particular element will be removed or this particular element will be pop out. It's it pop out the elements randomly. So set2 dot pop off, and list we can give the index number inside the pop off function, but here we can't give the anything, and it pop out, that means remove the elements randomly. See, 32 has removed. Then I am going to do one more thing. Set2 dot pop off 67, sorry, pop off. Okay, 67 is removed. Okay, so now I want to see what are the elements present in the set. See, the both 67 and 32 has removed, pop out from the set. Now it contains only 3 elements, 56, 45, 46. Okay, then the next one is copy of function. That means the name itself has a meaning, it contains the meaning, that means it's used to perform an copy. This function copies the elements from one set to another new set. Want to copy the same set of elements into another set by using the copy of function. For example, I am taking the set 1, 6, 6 9 4 1. Okay, then I want to copy this elements into another one set, that means set 2. So set 2 equal to set 1 dot copy of, so set 1 elements, all the set 1 elements will be copied into the set 2. Set 2, see, set 2 also contains the same elements in the set 1. Okay, the next one is clear of function. The clear of function used to clears the existing elements in the set. I want to perform this, I want to create the set 1 8 9 7 6 4 and then 5. Okay, then I want to clear the set elements. Before that I want to print all the elements. So these are all the set 1 elements and I am going to clear the set 1 elements. Now I am going to print the set 1. See, there is nothing present in the set, that means all the element has removed from the set. Finally we got an empty set only. Okay, next one, del comment. Del comment used to delete the entire set. Okay, set 2 equal to 6 5 4 9 3 1. Okay, then delete set 2. Before that I want to print the set elements. Okay, so these are all the set elements. After that I am going to delete the set 2. Now I print the set 2. See, name error, name set 2 SE2 is not defined, that means the entire set has deleted, the complete set has deleted. After performing the, before performing this delete operation, the set contains these elements, and after performing the delete operation, the entire set has removed. Okay friends, here we have discussed, today we have discussed about how to remove the particular element, set of elements or entire set from the, by using the set functions. Okay, if you have any doubt, just leave a comment in the comment box. Just work out this, all the functions in your own way. That's why you will get more idea. If you have any doubt, just leave your comment in the comment box. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends.